Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on the HS720AS Snow Thrower Unpack and Setup. Here's a list of the items you'll need to properly set up your new Honda snow thrower. A clean gas can with fresh gasoline, a small funnel, a 12mm wrench, and some clean rags to wipe up any spills. Snow throwers are heavy. Have a friend or neighbor help unload your new Honda snow thrower. Briskly pull the flaps to open the box and remove the cardboard inserts. Remove the plastic bag with the keys, owner's manual, and bottle of oil. Be aware that the plastic bag may have shifted during transportation and be under the snow thrower. The plastic bag contains the keys, the owner's manual, and a bottle of engine oil. Read the owner's manual to learn how to use your snow thrower safely and take full advantage of the snow thrower features. Keep the owner's manual handy so you can refer to it when you need information about your snow thrower. Have a friend or neighbor help you lift the snow thrower out of the box and set it on the floor. The snow thrower was shipped without oil in the engine. Do not attempt to start the engine until you add oil. To add oil, unscrew the dipstick and set it aside. Pour the oil into the engine. When oil begins to run out of the filler neck, the level is correct. Then reinstall the dipstick, screw it in until it's tight, and wipe up any spills. Now you can remove the yellow warning tag on the starter grip handle. Locate the model and serial number on the frame below the engine. Record the serial number in your owner's manual and on the registration card. Register your new Honda snow thrower online at powerequipment.honda.com. Unfold the handlebar to the proper position, making sure the control cables do not bind or catch. Once the handlebars are in position, tighten the two 12mm nuts securely. Then remove the protective packaging. Remove the spark plug door to make sure the spark plug cap is installed on the spark plug, and then reinstall the cover. Check the operation of the remote chute guide. Make sure it moves smoothly up and down through its full range. Check the operation of the remote turn control. Make sure it moves smoothly left and right through its full range. Before starting your snow thrower, the fuel tank should have fresh gasoline from a clean container. Warning: gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. Always refuel your snow thrower in a well-ventilated area with the engine stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Remove the gas cap and fill the tank. Be careful to not overfill the fuel tank or spill any fuel. Reinstall the gas cap and tighten it, and wipe up any spills before starting the engine. Do not use fuel containing more than 10% ethanol. Before starting the engine, move the snow thrower at least 10 feet away from the fueling source in sight. To start the engine, turn the fuel valve to the on position. Turn the key switch on and pull the choke. Then lightly pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. Once the engine has started, push in the choke. Caution: do not connect or disconnect the power cord with wet hands. Do not use the electric starter in the rain. To electrically start the HS720AS, connect an outdoor 3-prong extension cord to a 120-volt grounded outlet. And connect the other end of the extension cord to the starter box. Then turn the fuel valve to the on position, turn the key switch on, and pull the choke knob. Press the start button until the engine starts. Once the engine starts and the choke is off, unplug the extension cord from the snow thrower and from the outlet. Make sure the extension cord is disconnected before using the snow thrower. To stop the engine, release the auger clutch lever, if engaged, and then turn the key to the off position. Then turn the fuel valve to the off position. Thank you for choosing Honda snow throwers. Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us online at powerequipment.honda.com.